Halloween is officially over, but I have a really funky look that's sure to turn heads anywhere you go. This wavy optical illusion is kind of easy to create, but really difficult to name. So I want you guys to let me know what you would name it in the comments below. I'm thinking noodle nails, wavy nails, spiral nails. How about you guys vote on it? Click here to let me know what you guys would choose. I'm sure you're wondering how in the world we're going to do this look, so let's get started. Okay guys, so to start off this nail, I have already sanitized my hands as well as my model's, and I've prepped her nail by pushing back her cuticle with a cuticle pusher, and we've buffed off all the shine and removed all the dead tissue. So as you can see, I have already applied a form, and we are going to get into starting the look. The color I'm going to be using today is from Glam & Glitz Color Acrylic Collection in the color Marilyn. And I will also be using Clear from the Glam & Glitz Back to Basics line. Now, because the design of this nail is going to be really curvy, I'm not going to be able to use a tip or anything that's pre-made. So the beauty of a form is I can sculpt any shape that I want and it's good to go. To apply the acrylic for the free edge, I'm going to be using a size 8 acrylic brush. This is going to allow me to pick up enough powder to sculpt my free edge. Then I'm going to go in with a size 4 and I'm going to clean up the lines. Okay, so I'm going to start off by sculpting the free edge, and then we're going to go back and cover the nail plate and the entire nail. When applying your acrylic bead for the free edge, you want to guide it into the shape that you want to accomplish. By using the belly of your brush, you can push the sides out where you want the curves. Then you go in with your smaller brush and you clean up the sides so that you have a very smooth, detailed finish. Now that we're done with the free edge, we are going to go back and cover the nail plate and build up the structure of the nail to give it some strength. So now that we're done with our really cool shape, I'm going to go in with clear and I'm going to build up the bulk of the nail to strengthen it. You want to make sure that you are adding enough clear acrylic to give this nail structure, especially at the stress point. This part of the nail is more prone to breakage, and by adding the structure, you will be preventing that. So now that we've covered this nail in clear, we are going to wait for it to completely dry before we start filing. Now because my e-file was a bit too big, I'm going to go in with a smaller bit and we are going to do a little detailed work. So now that I have that nice and filed, I'm going to go in with a buffer and I'm going to smooth out the top of the nail. To finish off this nail, I'm going to go in with my favorite top coat. It's non-wipe top coat from Kiara, and we're going to completely cover the nail. And our final step is nurse oil. I'm going to apply this to the cuticle area and massage it in. And there you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this unique look. If you would rock this curvy nail, let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!